Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 20, Social Problem of India and Challenges. Now, social problem of India, okay? Economic problems अलग बात होती है, social problem अलग बात होती है. Now, this is a subject of social, so all of you know what is the meaning of social. Social means society, okay, the problems of people. So here we are going to study about the social problems, the problems we face as a society, okay, and the challenges which India face. So we'll start this chapter. India is a country with huge population and the largest democracy. Your people of different religion, language, cultures live together. Now this is the most learned line, I think so, in standard 10th. So we are a secular country. We all know that people of different religion, language, culture, caste live in India. Okay, that also together. So coordinating culture and secularism are its characteristics. Indian society is changing from traditional to modern society. Many changes have taken place in it. Yes, we do see the modernization in Indian society, don't we? If we compare this time with previously, if we compare this time with the 1950s time, then obviously we see a huge proportion of change. Even if you compare this time with 1990, then also there is change. So with this changes, many problems have originated, which include social, economic, political, cultural problem. Okay, with the change, it is not just modernization that has entered India, but also number of problems we are facing today. So in this chapter, we will discuss two challenges. First is communalism and second is casteism. आप सबको पता है ना what is communalism and what is casteism, and this is one of the major setback of India. Okay, हम लोग जातिवाद की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा फेस करते हैं. So here we are going to study about this matter. Many people of India belonging to different religion, caste, language have collectively worked for the freedom of our country. We all know that we have studied about the freedom struggles of India number of times. So it was not that a particular region has fought for this. राइट फ्रॉम कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी सब ने इसमें पार्ट लिया था और सब ने अपने अपने तरीके से कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. ओके, सो वी हैव टुगेदरली कलेक्टेड एंड हैव फॉट फॉर आवर कंट्री. It is because of that efforts that we have achieved precious freedom. It seems that harmony, unity, tolerance, etc. have existed in the past has withered away after the independence. Yes, जो हार्मनी पहले हुआ करती थी, ओके, राजाशाही के टाइम पे, वो आज जैसे कहीं पे खो गई है. बिकॉज एवरीवेयर एवरी टाइम इफ़ यू रीड न्यूज़पेपर, every day we see the news of this region having problem, this region having this problem, and most of the problems are due to this communalism and casteism. Okay, it is not that India is facing just because of the economic problem, not at all. More than that, we are having problem of this communist and casteism. So today we will come across some negative factors which hinders the peace and progress, such as communal conflict, caste based quarrels, regional violence, etc. This is a serious challenge to the social goodwill, secularism, democratic values and national integrity. Yes, ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही चैलेंज है. जब हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं तब हम सब लोग एक हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, वी ऑल कम टुगेदर. बट देन एट द वेरी नेक्स्ट मोमेंट देर आर सम problems, there comes state bit in between, there comes language in between, there comes religion in between. So every next moment there is one thing which divides us. Okay, though we are secular, but there are some conflicts going in India. Go on, means always there will be. Okay, so this is the biggest problem which India is facing, and it is very not at all good for the national integrity of India. Next comes communalism. रिलीजन इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ एंड रेवरेंस. नाउ रिलीजन इज़ अ मैटर ऑफ फेथ, ये एक विश्वास की बात है, और रेवरेंस का मतलब होता है डीप रिलीजियस रिस्पेक्ट. इफ़ यू हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर योर ओन रिलीजन, इट इज़ वेरी गुड. एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ डीप रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इट्स ओन रिलीजन. ओके, बट दैट डज नॉट अलाउ अस एट ऑल टू हेट अदर रिलीजन. ओके, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग अ डीप रिस्पेक्ट फॉर खुद के रिलीजन के लिए, इट इज़ वेरी गुड एंड वन शुड हैव, वन मस्ट हैव, आई विल से. But that doesn't allow us to hate another religion at all. Generally every person follows one or the other religion or sect. सेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? पंथ हम जिसको कहते हैं. इंडिया इज अ सेक्युलर कंट्री, दस communal behavior is against the spirit of constitution. When a group of people of a religion or sect oppose the other religion or sect because of any reason, communal tension arises. या कम्युनल टेंशन का सबसे बड़ा रीज़न क्या है? हमारा धर्म अच्छा है, हमारी कास्ट अच्छी है, वॉट एवर वी ऑल नो दैट. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन, बट वी ऑल नो दैट दिस थिंग्स go on happening in the society. Okay, so when the people of any religion or sect try to show superiority of their religion in comparison with the other religions and give more importance to the religious interest, then they look at every citizen not as an individual but from a communal perspective. Yes, हम लोग उस इंसान को कम्युनल पर्सपेक्टिव से देखते हैं. ओके, इस एक इंसान के तरीके से नहीं देखते. I will not at all take a name of any particular religion over here, but we all know that in our country, or if we go foreign, ठीक है, मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप फॉरेन जाते हो, ओके, so over there if some person sees you by your face, they will identify that you are Indian. Okay, then if you go, then next comes religion, to which religion you belong. And if a person of our community finds see us over there, that are you Indian? First question is that, and second question, to which religion you belong. Okay, so these things are very much there in India. And for particular religion के लिए हमारा एक mindset होता है कि हम उस इंसान को एक इंडिविजुअल की तरीके से नहीं देखते, पर एक रिलीजन के हिसाब से देखते कि एज दिस पर्सन बिलोंग टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन, ही माइट बी लाइक दिस और शी माइट बी लाइक दिस. So it divides, such spirit divides the society. Of course it divides the society. Even after so many years of independence, we have not been able to solve the problems of communalism. Communalism is harmful in different ways. It leads to social tension in the country. People consider their own friends as enemies or rivals, because of which atmosphere of difference and hatred is created. Communal tension leads to communal riots or quarrels. All these things are harmful for democracy, national integrity, and development of nation. Yes, now see, after so many years of independence, we have not been able to solve the problem of communalism. It is very true, and it is not that just India is facing such problem. ये बात नहीं है कि सिर्फ इंडिया में ये सब प्रॉब्लम है. Many countries have such problems. But if you have seen that movie 1994 की नाना पाटेकर की कौन सी, क्रांतिवीर. यस, इफ़ यू हैव सीन द मूवी क्रांतिवीर, देखिए मूवी, अगर नहीं देखिए तो देखना. इन दैट द टॉपिक इज ऑफ कम्युनल राइट्स भी आते हैं उसमें. ओके, एंड देयर द टू फ्रेंड्स देन दे बिकम एनिमी बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट द कम्युनल राइट्स. इन इंडिया पहले तो बहुत हुआ करते थे. गुजरात वॉज अ बिग सेंटर फॉर कम्युनल राइट्स. You cannot, I will say, a big center, but many a times there used to be a communal riots in Gujarat, and the biggest which was seen in the year 2001. Okay, Godhra Kand. You were not even born at that time, but Godhra Kand communal riots हुए थे, बहुत ही बड़े communal riots हुए थे. Okay, but after that I have not noticed in Gujarat. इतने साल में कभी न्यूज़ आया है नहीं, but that was one of the biggest communal riots ever happened in Gujarat. Okay. So people consider their own friends as enemy. उनके फ्रेंड्स को वो एनिमी मानने लगते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम दे डू नॉट सी हिम और हर एज ए इंडिविजुअल, बट दे सी दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन. ये इस रिलीजन को बिलोंग करता है, इसलिए वो हमारा दुश्मन है, लाइक दैट. सो कम्युनल टेंशन लीड्स टू व्हाट? कम्युनल राइट्स और क्वारल्स को लीड्स करता है. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर हार्मफुल फॉर व्हाट? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर आवर डेमोक्रेसी, our national integrity and development of nation. कभी भी झगड़ा, we all know that a war will never bring a peace in anywhere, or war, or you can say fight, वो कभी भी peace नहीं लाता है. So it will always be difficult, or you can say harmful for a particular nation. Recently, if you lockdown के time पर, if you had seen the news, there was a problem in America also. It was relating to that black and white people. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी. कई सारे रोड्स पे व्हीकल चला दिए गए थे, दिस एंड दैट. इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ब्लैकिश एंड वाइटिश पीपल. सो इट इज़ कॉमन इन एवरीवेयर. इट इज़ नॉट दैट जस्ट इंडिया में ये सब कुछ चीज़ें हैं. दुनिया के हर एक पार्ट में ऐसी सब चीज़ें होती, बट एज वी आर इंडियन विल स्टडी ओवर हियर अबाउट इंडिया. So, struggle against communalism. We know that communalism is a hindrance to the progress of individual, society, and nation. Various steps should be undertaken to eradicate communalism. At first, government should take punitive action against communal element to eradicate communalism from society. Punitive का मतलब होता है हार्ड एक्शन. ओके, अगर इफ़ वी नो दैट सम पर्सन इज स्प्रेडिंग हेट्रेड अमॉन्ग द पीपल, so we must take a strict action against that person. Second, education plays an important role in eradication of communalism. I believe this statement extremely true. Yes, education can bring change in the society. हमारी सोच को बदलता है education ही. Okay, so education plays an important role in eradication of poverty. If we come, मतलब it will be of no use for any person if we follow हेटरेड फॉर ईच अदर. ओके, अगर हम दिल में एक दूसरे के लिए नफरत रखेंगे तो ये किसी के लिए फ़ायदेमंद नहीं है. अगर इंसान ये बात समझ जाए देन देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम इन द कंट्री. सो एजुकेशन प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल टू ब्रिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ you can say thinking. In our education and curriculum, positive things have been included. Other than that, prayers of all religions are organized. Social functions are celebrated so that people develop respect for all religion. Yes, social functions are organized so that we respect every religion. Okay, if we think about India, we get holiday on the festival of every people. It is not that just in the festival of Diwali, Navratri we get holidays. Okay, no. In India, there is holiday for Eid also. In India, there is a holiday for Christmas also. On Guru Nanak Jayanti को भी holiday होती है. Then you can say national holiday तो होते हैं. So for every religion, festival of every religion, we do have holidays. I'm just trying to make you understand that there is no bifurcation in the name of religion in India. इसका मतलब मैं हॉलीडे को प्रेफरेंस देने की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट देर इज़ नो बाइफर्केशन, मतलब इस रिलीजन के लोग ज़्यादा है तो इसको ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दो. देर इज़ नो सच थिंग. देर इज़ इक्वालिटी फॉर एवरी रिलीजन इन इंडिया. Yes, so next point is political parties based on communal ideas should not be given recognition. Yes, special ethics are there for election. They must be implemented and followed. See, I told you number of times that number of things are written in book and which are to be followed. ऐसे कैसे नहीं लिखी गई होती है जो हमें फॉलो करनी ही चाहिए, बट उसका उल्लंघन हम बोलते हैं कई बार किया भी जाता है, कई बार बहुत बार. अगर इस टर्म में हम देखें तो इलेक्शन के सेंस में पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बेस्ड ऑन कम्युनल आइडिया शुड नॉट बी गिवन रिकग्निशन. हमारी कंट्री में इसके जो कम्युनलिज्म के चीज़, मतलब कम्युनलिज्म को दिमाग में रख के जो पार्टी बनाई जाती है वो नहीं अलाउड है. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड, एक्सेप्टेड. बट व्हेन अ पार्टी फॉर्म्स दे विल ऑलवेज, इफ़ यू हैव एवर लिसन about you can say that lectures or bhashan which they give in public, okay, then there are number of things which they speak. They will not say anything against another religion, but they will always support their particular religion or caste. For example, if I tell you मायावती का अगर आपने कभी भाषण सुना होगा, okay, she was CM of India. So वो दलित भाई बहनों ऐसे बोलती है. वाई? बिकॉज शी बिलोंग्स टू अ पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी ऑफ दैट. बट इफ यू टेक इन दिस सेंस देन सच टाइप ऑफ lectures or भाषण should not be allowed because she is particularly saying about a particular caste, but they do take in sense that कि वो कभी किसी और रिलीजन या कास्ट का बुरा नहीं बोल सकते, बोलेंगे भी नहीं. ओके, अगर बोलेंगे तो उनके ऊपर एक्शन भी ली जा सकती है. ओके, सो ऐसी जो एथिक्स से जो पार्टी बनती है उसको दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट अलाउड इन इंडिया. ओके, सेकेंड कम्स radio, TV, cinema are the best audiovisual aid to reach common people. Through them, message of secularism, tolerance should be spread. Such type of programs should be telecasted which promote national interest and nationalism. ऐसे प्रोग्राम हमें टेलीकास्ट करने चाहिए जो नेशनल इंटरेस्ट को प्रेरित करते हैं. ओके, एंड दे विल नॉट, मतलब इन शॉर्ट दे विल नॉट create hatred among us. ऐसे program should not be telecasted. Then comes for the progress of nation, religious leader and political leaders should come together to combat the problem of communalism. Just a second. Youth must come forward to remove communalism. At the social education level, it should be tried that youth develops secular and scientific attitude. So the future of India is in its youth. So it is very necessary कि हम लोगों को अगर कम्युनलिज्म इंडिया से निकालना है, इराडिकेट करना है, देन हमें यूथ की जो माइंडसेट है उसको चेंज करना चाहिए. ओके, इफ़ यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन दिस यूथ young generation, then of course a time will come when such problems won't be there in India. It's a far future, but then too we just can think about that. For this purpose, not only government but society should also try. Understanding the fact that national interest, national pride are above religion, caste, state or language ties the people in one thread and nurtures nationalism and national integrity. Yes, that national interest should always be above the you can say communal things. Okay, religion or caste or state से ऊपर होता है national interest and national pride. If you see this army person, for them first comes India. Okay, उनके लिए भी और हमारे लिए भी यही है और यही होना चाहिए. First there should be India and then comes state and then comes religion. Okay, if you have seen that movie Chak De India, वो बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया है that every player was representing its own state. For example, she said Chandigarh and that said Assam and that said I am from Andhra Pradesh. Only one girl from that said that I am this person belonging to India. So that shows that we are state comes next. First there should be country and then comes state. So national interest and national pride are above everything, should be above everything for us. Next comes casteism. Now first was about communalism, now comes casteism. India is having it's like a huge canopy of caste. हम खुद अगर लिखना भी चाहे तो हमें भी नहीं पता होगा कि मतलब लिखना चाहे तो थक जाएंगे, इतनी सारी कास्ट, देयर आर नंबर ऑफ कास्ट इन इंडिया. So caste have been existing in the social system of India since its birth. Thus we may say that India's social structure is based on casteism. Of course social structure is based on casteism. Earlier concept of casteism was different from what it is today. Of course, see now, very important statement. Earlier concept of casteism was very different from what it is today. To fill the basic needs of the society, the task-based communities were at the base of work division. According to the early hypothesis, a Varna system, that is Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, was based on 4 occupation. Okay, ये जो चीज़ें थी वो ऊंच नीच के हिसाब से नहीं थी. I have told you number of times, even previously in the class, कि such things were not on the base of we are not superior in any caste of, it was not based on that system. It was the type of work you do. Okay, इनका एक पर्टिकुलर काम था, इनका एक पर्टिकुलर काम था, सभी वर्ण का एक पर्टिकुलर काम हुआ करता था. Dwelling arrangement and occupation were based on caste. As the base of occupation was source of income, some castes were getting low income, so they remained poor economically. Yes, some caste used to get low income, so वो poor ही रहते थे. Okay, but the casteism was for the work system. It was not for higher superiority or inferiority. Okay. Before the period of British rule, some communities were living isolated life in the regions where it was not easy to reach, like inaccessible forest and mountain region. अब there were people जो एक particular isolated life means what, which do not get mixed with the community, that is called isolated life. So social and cultural life of these communities was different from others. जो हम आदिवासी कहते हैं, okay, उनकी जो social customs, उनकी जो रहनी करनी होती है वो that is different from the normal people. They had their own prominent culture and language. Because of living separately from generation to generation, people of this community could not develop. As a result of it, their economic and social condition has remained backward. As they were not getting mixed, they were not getting mingled with the other community, दे वर मतलब जो उनका दायरा था उसमें वो रहते थे. ओके, सो दे वर नॉट एबल टू डेवलप. इफ़ यू हैड सीन से ट्रैवल एक्सपी या ऐसी कोई भी चैनल होती, कई बार उसमें ये सब दिखाते हैं. ईस्टर्न इंडिया, इट इज़ फुल्ली डिवाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वेरियस ट्राइब. ओके, वहाँ पे अलग अलग जाति और जनजाति है. सबके एक पर्टिकुलर ड्रेस होते हैं, पर्टिकुलर डांस होता है, पर्टिकुलर फूड होता है. नंबर ऑफ ट्राइब्स आर देयर ओवर देयर. और वो मतलब उसको मेंटेन करना चाहते हैं, उसको उसमें ही रहना चाहते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट दैट दे हैव नॉट डेवलप, बट दे हैव नॉट, एंड इवन दे शुड नॉट, उनका जो कल्चर उसको छोड़ना भी नहीं चाहिए. ओके, बट वो लोग उतने में ही रहते थे. सो दे हैव नॉट डेवलप दैट मच. Next comes constitutional provision to protect the interests of minorities, weak and backward classes. So constitutional provision for the interests of minorities, weak and backward classes. See, now minorities मतलब the proportion जिसका कम होता है. Okay, that is called minority. Some religion people are extremely more in India while some are less. So that is called minority, weak and backward classes. Many provisions have been made in the Constitution for the protection, welfare, progress of minorities, weaker section and backward classes. This constitutional provision have been provided to protect their interests, to eradicate social inequality and to work for the welfare and development. Yes, reservation आप सबको पता है ये क्यों है? For the development of this section. Indian Constitution grants equal social, economical and political justice to all Indians. According to Indian Constitution, there will be no discrimination on the basis of community, caste, religion, language, sex, etc. It is also mentioned in the Constitution that equal opportunity and equal treatment is a fundamental right of every citizen. Yes, equal opportunity and equal status is a fundamental right of every citizen. In India, all are equal. ओके, ये बात अलग है कि रिजर्वेशन क्यों दिया जाता है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ क्वेश्चन इन द क्लास that why reservation are given when we are equal. It is you can say it, ये हमारा constitution का एक part है. How it works that we'll see later. So this is yes, next comes, moreover the state are also given power so that they may discharge the duties as a welfare state. It can impose certain restriction on certain fundamental rights in order to protect weaker and backward class of the society. Yes, ऐसा नहीं कि उनके पास कोई right नहीं है. We are a democratic country, but when a state feels that something is going wrong, then they have right to take strict action against this people or community. The right of religion gives freedom to follow any religion. Yes, in our country we are free to follow any religion. There are a number of countries which do not allow its people to follow any other religion, but it is not so in India. The main objective behind providing constitutional help to minorities, weaker section and backward classes is to offer them equal opportunities, justice and status in the country. क्यों हेल्प की जाती है? क्योंकि उनको वो लोग जो पीछे थे वो हमारे साथ कदम से कदम मिला के चल सके. That was the main motive. But how much it works today, that is a big question mark. Care is taken for the classes in the 5-year plan also. Yes, हमारे कंट्री में हर 5-year plan बनता है. And care is taken for a particular classes also. So now we'll stop it over here. Next we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.